I need to know how to fix a dishwasher backing up into sink.
Run the garbage disposal.
That's what you do when the water in the sink won't go down the drain.
If the food residue from the dishwasher is building up in the garbage disposal, running the garbage disposal fixes that.
Only for the moment.
A clogged dishwasher disposal can cause the drain water to overflow the sink.
Then I need to get the garbage disposal fixed, though running it to try to clear the backlog is a good test for it.
You could try running hot water down the sink drain to break up clogs and create a pressure differential to clear the clog.
Assuming that doesn't overflow too.
Pressure problems in the drain line can cause this problem.
It isn't water pressure, because if that was too low, neither the dishwasher nor fridge water dispenser would work.
Your dishwasher should have a drain loop in the drain hose connected to the sink so wastewater it tries to dispose of doesn't come back into the dishwasher.
I know that prevents wastewater from coming into the dishwasher, kind of like the air and water gap combo in toilets that prevent sewer gas from getting into the house.
If there is a problem with flow in the drain loop so it doesn't flush enough water down the drain when the dishwasher evacuates, you risk dirty water from the last load plus water from this load overloading the sink.
That could be a temporary kink in the hose or excessive debris from one load.
And a sign you really should have pre-rinsed the dishes last load.
I have this issue now but hadn't had it before, so I can't blame it on one really bad load.
You'd have to have really used too much dish soap to clog the drains and hoses to cause the dishwasher to back up into the sink.
If I used that much soap, the dishes couldn't get clean, but the soapy residue when we rinsed them off after failing to wash them is a clear indicator what is wrong.
If you put hand dish soap in the dishwasher instead of dishwashing soap, you risk a bunch of bubbly froth coming up the sink.
That would be easy to fix. Throw out the hand dishwashing liquid, run water down the sink, and run the dishwasher with a load of vinegar and baking soda to clear out the bubbles.
You could try to run sink cleaners if this only happens occasionally or after cleaning a bunch of greasy dishes.
If I knew it was due to all the grease left on our plates after dinner, I'd scrape off those plates specifically.
You may still have grease clogging the sink pipe or garbage disposal, like a bad case of arterial sclerosis. Using a sink cleaner in the garbage disposal or drain cleaner could help.
So would a plumber's tools like a drain snake.
If you don't know what to do or all these minor steps to fix it don't work, you are down to calling a plumber.